Who are our leader? Mazen Nnamdi Kanu kwuru na this video. On a channel who are a blogger na mezu. It can hope na Nigeria. It can hope for one Nigeria. It can hope na Nigeria gemecha demanowa. It can hope Nigeria gemecha nyegozo. Many of you say that Nigeria gemecha dika Japan, dika China. It can hope for that thing. One watch this video. Kemata manukua Maz Nnamdi Kanu kwuru na this video, now this voice here on the Mesbero. Nigeria they go worse than Somalia. Nigeria that they go worst than Somalia. If on afuna kabugodin bido. Okay, for Tinubu magodo manage. If on a mena bifana say a tip of an iceberg, an appetizer. If on a mefa, but on a megodi magomago. Kepe shi be na court. Ko hu court bie. Ozbo ohu court endre. Kon ga fuzi fire. On ga fu nke trobiati. Mo burna everything na court ende lana. Oburna ywa winro. Pito bi eseporiaka. Oga kon ga fu fire. Ofwa our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu kwuru here one obego na mezo. Onye ọbụla n'ọsọ nwoke na nwaanyị na-agba mmadụ na-efozi Nigeria, mmadụ na-efoziri inside this one Nigeria. Ka na-eche na Nigeria ga-adị mma, ka na-eche na Nigeria ga-enye gị emecha mee dịka Japan. Ị ga-eche gị dị ya gba isi awọ because no man possible.
If you don't allow we Biafrans to go, that zoological republic called Nigeria will be a worse place than Somalia, and today it is happening. And if you have not applied for your Somalian visa, please try and do so. Should I say Somali visa? Try and do so as quickly as possible, because the zoo is on the path of destruction and there is nothing man can do to reverse it. Mark today's date and what I'm telling you.